Go ahead and launch Canva. Click on Create a Custom Design and set the width to 5,000 pixels and the height to 1,080 pixels. Then hit Create New Design. This opens a blank canvas with your specified dimensions. Now from the Elements menu on the left, select the rectangle shape and add it to the canvas. Stretch it horizontally and make it thin enough to look like a stripe. Once you're happy with the shape, duplicate it. Change the color of one rectangle to green and keep the other red. Now select the red rectangle, rotate it by 45 degrees, and move it to the extreme left. Do the same with the green one and position it right next to the red. You'll now see alternating red, white, and green stripes, just like a candy cane. Select both the red and green rectangles and group them. Then duplicate the group stripes multiple times until the entire canvas is filled. Watch carefully in the video to see how I align and fill the canvas. And that's it. Your candy cane pattern is ready. If you prefer, you can also stick to just red and white for a more classic candy cane look. Once done, click on Share, Download, and select file type as PNG. Next, let's bring the candy cane to life. Create a new video design in Canva. This time choose Full HD 1920 by 1080. Upload your candy cane image and adjust it to fill the entire canvas. Make sure the width slightly exceeds the canvas so the animation looks smooth. Now increase the video duration to 10 seconds. Select the candy cane image, click on Animate, Create Animation. Hold the Shift key and drag the image from left to right in a straight line. Choose the movement style Steady and reduce the animation speed slightly for a smooth glide. Finally, download it as an MP4 video. Congratulations! Your candy cane progress bar template is ready. Now let's make a few versions of this progress bar. Create another Full HD design. Go to Photos, search for gray, and pick any subtle gray background you like. Stretch it to fill the canvas. Next, upload and add your progress bar video. Adjust it as shown. Select it, click Animate, Create Custom Animation, and this time hold Shift while dragging it from right to left. Keep the movement straight and smooth. Duplicate this page and adjust the timing for 7 seconds and 3 seconds to create shorter progress bars. Finally, download all pages separately as MP4 videos. You now have ready-to-use progress bars for 10s, 7s, and 3s. Now it's time to use our progress bar. Create a new design for your quiz video. Search for a Christmas background and add it to the canvas. Then insert a frame and add any photo or question visual inside it. Next, upload your chosen progress bar video and place it at the bottom of the screen. Adjust its height and width to fit nicely. To make it pop, add a white border to the progress bar video. Now apply a rise animation for both entry and exit effects. This gives a smooth transition. And that's it. Your stunning candy cane progress bar is ready to use in any video, especially holiday-themed quizzes, countdowns, or intros. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more creative Canva tutorials and video editing hacks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.